Hi, my name is Missy. I am one of the seminar success coaches at White Glove Workshops. Back in May, we announced 6 new seminar enhancements where you can choose any 2 enhancements for free when you book and host a summer workshop. Time is running out to take advantage of that offer. We prefer 6 weeks of lead time to coordinate a seminar, so you will need to lock in your summer seminar with us by July 13th at the very latest in order to get those seminar enhancements for free for your August workshop. We anticipate that our pricings will go into effect for the enhancements after September 1st, so it's likely that you will only get this one time to try them for free. Please reach out to your White Glove Workshops representative for a refresher on what the summer enhancements are and so they can help you lock in your August workshop. We look forward to hearing from you.